Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are back with the Python programs. So what is the task of the day? We have the task of the day is that we have to write a Python program to check whether the triangle is equilateral, isosceles or scalene. Equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Like if you want to check equilateral triangle, then it must have an equal sides. In isosceles triangle, any two of these sides are equal. And in scalene triangle, none of the three sides are equal. So based on these three conditions, we have to write a program and check whether the given triangle is either of the three. Now let's get into this. So first of all, I have to take the input from the user, and what I'm going to take input from the user is the three sides of the triangle. So I'm going to take the input one by one, and I'm going to typecast it into integer. So here I have taken the three inputs from the user. Now the second thing is I have to check whether the triangle is equilateral triangle, and for the equilateral triangle we have a condition that it must have the equal sides. All three sides are equal. So the first condition I'm going to write here is if. Here is the first condition, that if side 1, side 2 and side 3, if the three sides are equal, then it will gonna print equilateral triangle, right? So this is the basic condition. The second condition is for the isosceles triangle. So for the isosceles triangle, we have to write the condition like any two of these sides are equal. For that, I'm just using another condition using the elif keyword. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the two sides. Like first, I'm going to compare side 1, side 2. I'm going to put them in brackets. And I'm using the OR operator. Like any of the given condition is true, then any of the scenario is true, then the condition will consider to be true. So that's why I'm using the OR operator. The next we have side 1, side 3, and I'm also put them in the bracket. So this is the condition. I have put all these condition. Any of the sides, any of the two sides are equal, then it will gonna print the triangle is isosceles triangle, right? And the last condition that we have is the scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is that if none of the sides are equal. So it's special that I just print if any two conditions are false, then it will gonna print scalene triangle, right? So these three are the conditions. Let's run this program. So the first I'm gonna program is the length of the side 1. Suppose I just write 5, 6 and 5. Then it says that it's an isosceles triangle because I put the two length of the sides are same, like 5 and 5. Let's see. If I write like 5, 5, 5, then it will say, yeah, the triangle is equilateral triangle. And if I just changed all three sides, then it will say that it is the scalene triangle. So this is the most basic program to check whether the given triangle is the equilateral, isosceles or scalene triangle. I hope you understand this, and if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.